Python is absolutely the fastest growing programming language today. It's being used everywhere you can imagine. As a geospatial data expert, I have used Python in many forms, from automating my Excel spreadsheets to predicting weather to sending SMS messages. And everyone wants to use Python. University students, astronomers, social scientists, you name it. Fine, so what's the problem here? The problem is that the majority are giving up. They start to learn Python and then they drop it. And as an online teacher of many years on Udemy, I know the exact reason why that happens. People are starting to learn Python, they learn the basics, and then they find it very hard to make a real-world program. A program that does actually something useful. So I made a complete Python course that will not only teach you the basics of Python, it will guide you through building 10 real-world Python applications. From creating a human language translator to building a webcam motion detector to creating a web app that collects data in a database and sends emails to people, and many more. The course has enrolled over 100,000 students on Udemy. Udemy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so even if you don't like the course, you can easily return it. Apart from the videos, you will also find many exercises in the course and other practice activities. And there's also a question and answer area where you can ask your questions and get a response in the same day. So sign up now and I'll see you on the other side.